The following companies have perfected the art of manufacturing, turning raw materials into unique products. In 2008, John Armstrong and Mo Vasquez left their jobs and, with the support of their wives, launched Do It American Manufacturing Company, LLC. As its name implies, the company is dedicated to manufacturing quality products in the USA. Beyond manufacturing for others, the Corona-based company has also used its ingenuity and knowledge to develop patented proprietary products for the gas utility industry, resulting in consistent revenue growth of 25 to 50% per year. Royal Interpack of Riverside is a fully integrated PET thermoforming manufacturer, covering the full production life cycle, starting from bales to flake, sheet to finished products. Used plastic bottles are collected and then processed and ultimately turned into recycled packaging products. Founded and led by Radhika Chawla, they've recently created a new food service division and established an additional manufacturing facility in Mexico. Warren Packaging of Ontario is a manufacturer and distributor of custom corrugated boxes, folding cartons, and labels. Led by founder Phil Warren, the family-owned firm serves customers in a wide range of industries, including produce, food service, automotive parts, bakeries, and cosmetics. Due to its continual innovation and working closely with customers to develop optimal packaging solutions, the firm has experienced rapid growth and success since its inception in 2010. All of these finalists are to be celebrated for their excellence in manufacturing. They truly are the best the Inland Empire has to offer.